Hello everyone! Today, we are going to pineapple farms in several states like Hawaii, Florida, and California to see how farmers here grow and harvest millions of pineapples. Every year, from June to August, farmers in the United States carry out the pineapple breeding process by separating young pineapple plants from the mother plant. Farmers choose strong and healthy young pineapple plants to separate from the mother plant. The young pineapple plant is separated from the mother plant by carefully cutting off parts of the root system and the original trunk. Before planting young pineapple plants, an important step in the process is a stimulant spray to help them easily grow deep and strong in the ground, enhancing the root system and ability to absorb nutrients from the soil. Pineapple plants are planted in horizontal or diagonal rows with suitable distances between plants to ensure good growth and facilitate future plant care. Farmers in the U.S. can grow from 1,000 to 1,800 pineapple plants per acre, 2,471 to 4,447 plants per hectare. Pineapple is a drought-tolerant crop that is adaptable to arid conditions. However, to ensure that pineapple plants thrive and achieve maximum yield, regular watering is necessary. In the process of growing pineapple, farmers in the U.S. often apply the method of periodic watering. This includes providing enough water to ensure that the soil around the pineapple plant stay wet, but not too waterlogged. Typically, a pineapple plant in the U.S. may need about 2 to 4 gallons, about 7.5 to 15.1 liters of water per week during dry periods. In the United States, there are several popular varieties of pineapple grown on a large scale, namely Hawaiian pineapple, Cayenne pineapple, Queen pineapple, smooth Cayenne pineapple, and red Spanish pineapple. Most pineapple varieties grown in the United States take about 14 to 16 months to grow from planting to harvest. Before harvesting pineapple, farmers will check the size, weight, ripeness, sweetness of the pineapple to make sure that they are ready for harvest. The pineapple harvest begins when millions of pineapples are hand-picked by farmers. Every year, thousands of workers move to the United States to participate in the pineapple harvesting process. It is estimated that between 50,000 and 60,000 people from Mexico, Central America, and South America come to the United States each year to work in the agricultural sector, including harvesting pineapples. Normally, pineapple harvest workers are paid a salary according to the agricultural industry, and this salary can range from about 10 to 15 USD per hour. According to the United States Department of Agriculture (USDA), by 2021, the total area under pineapple cultivation in the United States is about 1,000 acres, mainly concentrated in Hawaii. The USDA estimates the average production per acre for pineapples in the United States to be about 20 tons. As a result, pineapple production in the United States is about 20,000 tons annually. On an average, each American person consumes about 8 to 10 kilograms of pineapple per year. Pineapple is a popular and favored fruit in the taste of American people. Known for its sweet and nutty flavor, pineapple is not only eaten fresh, but is also used in many desserts, juice, and other dishes. Millions of pineapples after being harvested are transported to factories for packaging and processing into other products such as pineapple juice, frozen pineapple, pineapple jam, dry pineapple jam, and many pineapple processing products. This is what happened at the Cane Pineapple Factory. Here, the pineapples are washed and peeled. This process is usually done automatically by specialized machines to ensure efficiency and uniformity in the removal of unnecessary parts. The pineapple is then cut into thin slices and small pieces, and the slices are placed in tins or cans. Finally, the sealed pineapple cans are checked for quality and packed ready for shipping. Next, we will visit a frozen pineapple factory to see the specific process and advanced technology to preserve fresh pineapple in frozen condition. Before freezing, pineapple needs to go through pre-treatment steps to keep its quality and freshness. These steps include rinsing, soaking in preservative solution, and heat treatment to kill bacteria and enzymes. After going through the pre-treatment steps, pineapples are placed in special trays or bags and put into the freezing system. After freezing, pineapples are packed and canned to protect from exposure to air and ensure good preservation. Specialized boxes or packaging will be used to pack frozen pineapples and ensure safe and convenient transportation. Currently, Costa Rica is the largest pineapple exporter in the world. In 2020, Costa Rica exported about 1.9 million tons of pineapples. Regarding the U.S., this country is not the top exporter of pineapple. Instead, the U.S. is one of the largest importers of pineapples. In 2020, the U.S. imported about 1.1 million tons of pineapples from other countries, such as Costa Rica, Mexico, and Honduras. We hope this video will help you better understand the pineapple industry in the US and how American people ensure the quality and availability of this product. To continue watching other interesting videos, subscribe to our channel and remember to leave your comments in the comments section below. Have a nice day and see you in the next videos.